We've helped Fortune 500 companies as well as small upcoming startups and tech companies get in front of a lot more of their prospects than they ever were able to before. We've been able to provide them with all types of experiences, beer, chocolate, themed experiences with cocktails that entice people to want to jump on a call and have fun. And you get to pitch your product and your story. It's a very non-stressful, non-intrusive sales strategy. It's pretty evident what a success this has become. What really sets us apart is that we're constantly finding solutions when other companies say no. We can appeal and create whatever your clients and your prospects would like. We look forward to evolving and be the forefront of expanding and changing sales through virtual events.